Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to make a very delicious cake. Its recipe is very easy, so let's get started. The things we need are 2 kgs 2 eggs, oil for 2 by 3 cup, flour 1.5 cup, cocoa powder 1 by 3 cup, sugar 1.5 cups, now baking powder 1 teaspoon, chocolate chips and vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Let's start. We will blend all the things all together in a blender. It will make our work easier, so we do not need to crush the sugar. All we need is to put the oil, sugar, vanilla essence and eggs into the blender and blend them so well. Blending will make your work easier, so you will not require egg beaters and caster sugar. Now you are blending it well, and we will then pour this mixture into a bowl. Add the cocoa powder and flour and the rest of the dry materials into the bowl and mix slowly with a spatula. Now we will add fresh cream. If you do not have fresh cream, you can use milk, and you can also use cream available in the market. Add chocolate chips. The more you have, the better. Now we will pour the mixture into the baking container, making sure that there is no air left in the mixture. Put the mixture into the baking oven for 20 minutes. Now I see that it is fully baked and baked very well. Now we are about to decorate it in a very different manner, but that manner is very easy. For decorating, I melted the cooking chocolate in a pan and have separated it evenly throughout the cake with a knife. Now I kept some chocolates of Kit Kats and I kept some Bounties and other chocolates, and I'm now putting them inside in a very slightly manner because I just do not want the cake to become broken in any way. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to sprinkle the chips of chocolates. If you can add the chocolate chips, and here I'm adding the chocolate sprinkles which I made by hitting the chocolate bar, cooking chocolate bar rigorously. So they are available and they came out in a very beautiful manner in a sprinkle form. And now I'm just putting the sprinkled chocolate into the cake, onto the cake, and it's looking so beautiful that I can't